హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ నానాజీ గొన్నబద్ర. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇండిఫినైట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనే చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అండ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6Aలోని ఫస్ట్ రామంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవరీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ రామంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఈరోజు మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాం. అలాగే ఈ యొక్క వీడియోని చివరి వరకు చూసి మీకు ఏవైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ రూమ్లో కామెంట్ తెలియజేస్తారని కోరుకుంటూ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6A, ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 2. ఎవాల్యూట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 minus x square whole square into dx. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first మనం 1 minus x square whole square dx అనే ఫంక్షన్ మనం ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలి. 1 minus x square whole square అనేది a minus b whole square ఫామ్లో ఉంది. Here a is the 1, b is the x square. So integration of a square means 1 whole square minus 2 into a means 1, b means x square plus b square means x square whole square into dx. ఏదైతే మనకి 1 minus x square ఉందో ఆ ఫార్ములా మొత్తం మనం ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తాం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 square means 1 minus 2 into x square 2x square plus x square whole square means x power of 4. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈచ్ టర్మ్కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 dx minus 2 is the constant, 2 into integration of x square dx plus integration of x power of 4 into dx. Integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of 2 into x square కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి x cube by 3 plus x power of 4 కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి x power of 5 by 5 plus c. సో x minus 2 into x cube 2x cube by 3 plus x power of 5 by 5 plus c. Problem number 1. Integration of x square dx means integration of x power of n dx is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So x square means x power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c is equal to x cube by 3. X square or x power of 4. So this is the problem number 1. Second problem. Second one, integration of 3 by root x minus 2 by x plus 1 by 3x square. Here the three functions మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 3 is the constant, 3 into 1 by root x into dx. 2 is constant, 2 into integration of 1 by x dx. 1 by 3 is the constant, so 1 by x square dx. So 3 into 1 integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x minus 2 into integration of 1 by x is log mod x plus 1 by 3 into integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus c. So 3 2s are 6 root x minus 2 log mod x plus into minus 1 by 3x plus c. సో ఈచ్ టర్మ్కి మనం c అనే టర్మ్ రైట్ చేయవసరం లేదు, లాస్ట్ c అనే టర్మ్ మనం రైట్ చేస్తే సరిపోదు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 3. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ root x plus 1 by x whole square into dx. సో నామినేటర్ వాల్యూ డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ a square means root x whole square plus 2 2 into a means root x, b means 1 plus b square means 1 square by x whole square into dx. Or suppose a by b whole square, that means a square by b square. Square అనే టర్మ్ మనం నోమినేటర్కి అప్లై చేయాలి, డినామినేటర్కి అప్లై చేయాలి. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్కి రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్, x ప్లస్ 2 root x into 1, 2 root x plus 1 whole square means 1 by x whole square means x square into dx. సో డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న టర్మ్ చేత నామినేటర్లో ఉన్న టర్మ్ని డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. x by x square into dx plus 2 is a constant, integration of root x by x square into dx plus 1 by x square into dx. So x की x square cancel, integration of 1 by x dx plus 2 into integration of root x means x power of 1 by 2. A 1 by a power of n is equal to a power of minus n. So 1 by x square means x power of minus 2 into dx plus integration of 1 by x square into dx. 1 by x square into dx. Integration of 1 by x dx means log mod x plus 2 into integration of bases are equal, then the powers are adding. So x power of 1 by 2 plus into minus into dx plus integration of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x plus c. Log mod x plus 2 into integration of x power of 2 into 2 4 1 minus 4 by 2 into dx plus into minus 1 by x plus c. So log mod x plus 2 into integration of x power of minus 3 by 2 into dx minus 1 by x plus c. So log mod x plus 2 into integration of x power of n dx, x power of minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus c. So log mod x power of 2 by 2 means 2 into 1 2 లోంచి మైనస్ 3 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి మైనస్ 1 by 2 ప్లస్ 2 into x power of minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x plus c minus 1 by x plus c. Log mod x ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 1 by 2 అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతే మనకి 4x పవర్ ఆఫ్ minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x plus c. So log mod x minus 4 by root x minus 1 by x plus c. X power of minus 1 by 2 means x power of 1 by 2. X power of 1 by 2 means root x. This is the problem number 3. Next, problem number 4. Integration of 3x plus 1 whole square by 2x into dx. So formula expand చేద్దాం. A square means 3x whole square, that means 9x square plus 2ab, 2 into a means 3x, 2 into 3x 6x into 1 6x. B square means 1 square value is 1 by 2x into dx. So each term మనం 2x అయితే డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 9x square by 2x into dx plus integration of 6x by 2x into dx plus integration of 1 by 2x into dx. So here x cancel, x square cancel. So 9 by 2 is the constant. Integration of remaining value is x. Integration of x dx plus 2 1 0 2 3 0. So 3 is the constant. Remaining value 1 dx or dx plus 1 by 2 is constant. Remaining value 1 by x dx. So 9 by 2 into integration of x dx means x square by 2 plus integration of 1 dx means x plus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x means log mod x plus c. So 9 into x square 9x square, 2 into 2 4, 9x square by 4 plus 3x plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus c. This is problem number 4. Problem number 5. Integration of 2x minus 1 by 3 root x whole square into dx. So numerator value ni denominator value ni expand cheyali. Ikkada square ane term numerator or denominator. Integration of 2x whole square means 4x square minus 2ab, 2 into a means 2x, 2 into 2x 4x, 4x into 1 4x plus b square means 1 by 9x cube root x whole square means 3 whole square into root x whole square. 3 square is 9, square ki root cancel x, so 9x into dx. So denominator term chate each term divide cheyali. 4x square by 9x into dx minus integration of 4x by 9x into dx plus 1 by 9x into dx. So x square cancel. 4 by 9 is the constant. Integration of x dx minus x cancel. 4 by 9 is the constant. Remaining value is dx or 1 dx. So 1 by 9 is constant. Remaining value is integration of 1 by x dx. So integration of 4 by 9 into x integration is x square by 2 minus 4 by 9 into integration of 1 dx or dx means x plus 1 by 9 into integration of 1 by x dx means log mod x plus c. So 2 1 0 2 2 0. Remaining value is 2 into x square 2x square by 9 2x square by 9 minus 4 by 9x plus 1 by 9 log mod x plus c. This is problem number 5. Number 6. Integration of 1 by root x plus 2 by x square minus 1 root minus 3 by 2x square into dx. Here three functions మనం integration apply చేయాలి. Integration of 1 by root x into dx plus 2 is the constant. 2 into integration of 1 by x square minus 1 into dx root. So minus 3 by 2 is the constant. Remaining value 1 by x square dx. So 1 by root x means 2 root x plus 2 into integration of square root x square minus 1 is cos h inverse x minus 3 by 2 into integration of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x plus c. So 2 root x plus 2 cos h inverse x minus into minus is plus 3 by 2x plus c. This is problem number 6. Integration of secant square x minus cos x plus x square ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్. సో 3 ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3 ఫంక్షన్స్కి మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సీకెండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఎక్స్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సీకెండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ మీన్స్ tan x minus integration of cos x dx means sin x plus integration of x square means x cube by 3 plus c. Problem number 8. Integration of secant x into tan x plus 3 by x minus 4 into dx. So each term की integration apply చేయండి. Integration of secant x into tan x dx plus 3 is the constant remaining value 1 by x dx minus 4 is the constant 1 dx. Integration of secant x into tan x means secant x plus 3 into integration of 1 by x means log mod x minus 4 into integration of 1 dx means x, so 4x plus c. This is problem number 8. Problem number 9. Integration of root x minus 2 by 1 minus x square into dx. So each term की integration apply చేయాలి. Integration of root x into dx minus 2 is the constant 1 by 1 minus x square into dx. So root x in మనం x power of 1 by 2 into dx minus 2 into integration of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx. So integration apply చేయండి. x power of n, x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into integration of 1 by 1 minus x square means tan h inverse x plus c. So x power of 2 into 1 2 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 2 tan h inverse x plus c. So numerator value reciprocal చేస్తే మనకి 2 by 3 x power of 3 by 2 minus 2 tan h inverse x plus c. This is problem number 9. Problem number 9. Tenth one. Problem number 10. Integration of x cube minus cos x plus 4 by x square minus 1 into dx. So 3 functions మనం integration apply చేయాలి. Integration of x cube into dx minus integration of cos x dx plus 4 is the constant integration of 1 by x square minus 1 into root into dx. Integration of x cube means x power of 4 by 4 minus integration of cos x dx means sin x plus 4 into integration of 1 by root x square minus 1 means cos h inverse x plus c. Cos h inverse x plus c. Problem number 10. Problem number 11. Integration of cos hx plus 1 by root of x square plus 1 into dx. So integration of cos hx dx plus integration of 1 by x square plus 1 into root into dx. Integration of cos hx means sin hx. Integration of 1 by root over x square plus 1 means sin h inverse x plus c. So sin hx plus sin h inverse x plus c. Problem number 12. Integration of sin hx plus 1 by x square minus 1 root of x square minus 1 whole power of 1 by 2 into dx. So integration of sin hx into dx plus integration of 1 by whole power of 1 by 2 means root, that means x square minus 1 root x square minus 1 means x power of 1 by 2 into dx. So integration of sin hx dx means cos hx plus integration of square root of x square minus 1 means cos h inverse x plus c. It's problem number 4. So problem number 13, integration of a power of x minus b power of x whole square by a power of x into b power of x into dx. So numerator లో ఉండే వాల్యూని ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. a minus b whole square, a whole square means a power of x whole square minus 2 into a means a power of x, b means b power of x plus b square means b power of x whole square whole by a power of x into b power of x into dx. So each term ni denominator చేత డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ a power of x whole square by a power of x into b power of x into dx minus 2 is the constant. Integration of a power of x b power of x by a power of x into b power of x dx plus integration of b power of x whole square by a power of x into b power of x into dx. So a power of x whole square cancel, a power of x b power a power of x b power of x by a power of x b power of x, two terms cancel, b power of x whole square b power of x cancel. Remaining value integration of a square by b square means a by b whole square. Remain a power x by b power x means a power of x by b power of x means a by b whole power of x into dx minus 2 into integration of all term cancel, remaining value is 1 into dx plus b power of x by a power of x means b by a whole power of x, integration of b by a whole power of x into dx, b power of x into dx. Integration of a power of x dx means a power of x by log a power of x by log a. Here a is the a by b whole power of x, so a power of x a by b whole power of x by log a means a by b plus or minus integration of 1 dx means x 2 into x 2x plus integration of same a power of x b by a whole power of x by log b by a plus c, log b by a plus c. A by b whole power of x by log a by b means log a minus log b minus 2x plus b by a whole power of x by log b minus log a plus c. Log a by b means log a minus log b. A by b whole power of x by log a minus log b plus minus 2x plus b by a whole power of x by ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్లోంచి మనం మైనస్ కామన్ చేసినట్లయితే మైనస్ లాగ్ ఏ మైనస్ లాగ్ బి ప్లస్ సి. ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్లోంచి మైనస్ కామన్ చేయండి, మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ మైనస్. సో టూ టర్మ్లోంచి 1 by log a minus log b 1 by log a minus log b టర్మ్ కామన్ చేస్తే మనకి a by b whole power of x minus b by a whole power of x minus 2x plus c minus 2x plus c. This is problem number 13. Remaining Problem number 14. Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ కోసీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా లేదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఇన్వర్స్లో మార్చుకుంటాం. 1/sin secant square means 1/cos square x, 1/cosecant square x, cosecant square x means sin square x into dx. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీలోని sin square x plus cos square x వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1. 1 ప్లేస్లోని sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x into dx. So denominator check each term divide చేయండి. Integration of sin square x by sin square x cos square x into dx plus integration of cos square x by sin square x cos square x into dx. So sin square x cancel, cos square x cancel, remaining value 1/cos square x means secant square x dx plus 1/sin square x means cosecant square x dx. Integration of secant square x dx means tan x. Integration of cosecant square x dx means minus cot x plus c. Problem number 15. Integration of 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x into dx. 1 minus cos 2x means trigonometric functions lo untayi manaki 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x. Integration of 1 plus cos square x by 2 sin square x into dx. So denominator చేత 2 functions మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 sin square x dx plus integration of cos square x by 2 sin square x into dx. Here 1/2 is the constant. Remaining value 1/sin square x means cosecant square x. Cosecant square x into dx. So 1/2 is the constant. Remaining value cos square by sin square means cot square into dx. Cot square into dx. Integration of cosecant square x dx means integration of cosecant square x dx means minus cot x. So minus 1/2 into cot x plus 1/2 into integration of cot square x అనే టర్మ్ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లేదు. ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీలో మనకి cosecant square x minus cos square x, cosecant square x minus cot square x value is 1. So cot square x value మనం cosecant square x minus 1 into dx అని రైట్ చేయాలి. So minus 1/2 into cot x plus 1/2 into integration of cosecant square x dx minus 1/2 into integration of 1 dx. So minus 1/2 into cot x. Integration of cosecant square x dx means minus cot x. So minus 1/2 cot x minus integration of 1 dx means x. So minus 1/2 x plus c. Minus 1/2 is minus 2/2. 2 cancel, minus cot x. Sir, minus 1/half plus half minus cot x. Remaining value minus 1/2 plus x plus c. So 2 terms నుంచి మైనస్ కామన్ చేసినా పర్లేదు. Problem number 16. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x root into dx. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x root into dx. Root ab means root a into root b. So 2 root sin square x means root 2 into sin square x into dx. Square की root cancel, root 2 is the constant. Integration of sin x dx. Integration of sin x means minus cos x. So minus root 2 cos x plus c. Integration of sin x means minus cos x into root 2 minus root 2 cos x. Problem number 17. Integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx into dx. ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో మనకి హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫంక్షన్లోని వన్ వాల్యూ cos h square x minus sin h square x value is 1. So 1 ప్లేస్లోని cos h square x minus sin h square x whole by cos hx plus sin hx. Cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1. So 1 place lo manam cos h square x minus sin h square x into dx. Integration of a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. That means cos hx plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx whole by cos hx plus sin hx into dx. So cos hx plus sin x ki cos hx plus sin x cancel, remaining terms integration apply చేయండి. Integration of cos hx into dx minus integration of sin hx into dx is equal to integration of cos hx means sin hx minus integration of sin hx means cos hx plus c. This is problem number 17. Second Roman లోని క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 18. ఈ రోమన్ లోన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 18. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. డినామినేటర్ చేత రేషనలైజింగ్ అప్లై చేయండి. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x into dx. 1 plus cos x rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x చేత nominator ని denominator ని multiply చేసి divide చేయాలి. Integration of 1 minus cos x by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That means 1 minus a square means 1 square, b square means cos square x into dx. Integration of 1 minus cos x by